Good morning, students. In previous class, we have discussed about adjectives, kinds of adjectives, degree of comparison, and all rules. How can we change positive degree into comparative and superlative degree? Today, we are going to discuss about determiners. Listen carefully. Determiner is always followed by a noun. Determiner is always followed by a noun. Determiner is treated as adjectives in traditional grammar. If you will teach adjectives carefully, then it is easy to understand determiner also. Now, look at common determiners. Common determiner is articles, possessive adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, adjective of quantity, included adjective of numbers. Adjective of quantity or adjective of numbers are called quantifier in determiner. Adjectives of quantity and adjective of number called quantifiers in determiners. Now, look at here. Our common determiners are article. Article means a and the. Possessive adjectives. As you know, I have told you in earlier class what is the example of possessive adjectives. My, our, your, his, her, it, its, their. Demonstrative adjectives, this, that, these, those. And adjective of quantity or adjective of number, which is called quantifiers in determiners, like all, any, each, every, plenty of, a lots of, enough, many, few, little, much, first, second, one, two, all are quantifiers in determiners. So, common determiners are article, possessive adjectives, demonstrative adjective, and quantifier. Now, we will see one by one. Now, we will see articles. As you know, there are three articles: a, and the. A and an are indefinite articles because they indicate indefinite noun. Now, A is used before noun beginning with constant sound. A is used before noun beginning with consonant sound. I hope you will read vowel and consonant in your previous classes. As you know, there are 26 alphabets in English word. A to Z, 26. In 26 alphabet, there are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U, and rest are consonant. So, A is used before noun beginning with consonant sound. For example, a boy. Here, boy, B is consonant. A ball, a dog, a snake, a tree, and is used before noun beginning with vowel sound. And is used before noun beginning with vowel sound, like an ink pot. Ink pot, dwat. INKPOT. Ink pot is the word beginning with I, and I is vowel. That's why we apply here an ink pot, an egg, an eagle, an apple. I repeat once again. Articles, 3 articles, A and the. A and an is indefinite article. The is definite article. A is used with noun beginning with consonant sound. An is used with noun beginning with vowel sound. Now we will see rest articles. The is the definite article. The is the definite article that speaks about definite noun. The is the definite article that speaks about definite noun. For example, the boys, the dogs, the trees, the rivers, etc. So, I hope all of you understand what are articles. Now, look at second determiner, possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives. Examples: my, your, his, her, their. For example, this is my pen. This is my pen. I just told you, adjectives is treated as determiners. And in my adjective class, I have told you adjective followed by a noun or pronoun. Here, the same thing. Look at the example. This is my pen. My is possessive adjective followed by pen, and pen is noun. So here my is determiners. Who Who bought that painting? Who bought that painting? Here, that is possessive adjective. Painting is noun. So, that is determiner. This pen is Deep's. Here, this is possessive adjective and followed by pen. Pen is noun. So, this is determiners. And look at another example. Those boys are friends. Here, those is possessive adjective. Boys, noun. So, here, those is determiner. In our next class, we will discuss rest kind of determiners. Thank you.